Hi, in this video we will discuss three methods or three cases on how we can find length of a list. Before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification icon to never miss out on our videos. Now let's start with case 1. So here we will demonstrate finding length of list using naive method. So how can we do that? So we can use a counter variable and use a for loop and increment the counter each time the for loop runs, and then just print the counter. So let's code it. So we have this list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let's print out the list. So print the list is the list is list lst. So we have the list printed. Then let's have a counter is equal to 0, and let's run a for loop for I in list and do counter plus equals 1, and at the end just print the length of list. Print the length of the string is counter. So the counter will be the length of the list. See, we have the length of string is 5. Now case 2, Python program to demonstrate working of len. So by len we can find the length of the string by, let's see, list 1. Let's define another list with 2, 5, 7, 9, 12, 45 likewise, and now just do size equals len of list 1 and print the length of the string. We'll copy this, copy the length of string is not counter but size, size. So the length of the string is 6. Now using length hint, so this is also way from where we can find the length of the list. Now let's see how we can do that. So it is a library. So from a library we need to import this length hint function. So from operator import length hint. Now we have this imported. Now list 2, let's define one more list. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it has 9 elements. Now let's print the list. So the print, we'll copy this, we'll delete, we'll copy the list is list 2. Now let's use the length function also, so that we can differentiate in both, or we can see if we get the same output. So len list 2. Now let's do list len of hint is equal to length hint list 2. Then just print out the size or the lengths of both of the functions. The length of the the length of the list using len function. It's list not string, list, my mistake. Now just print out the list len, then just copy this, copy, then paste it over here, list len hint. Now here we need to write length hint. Now as you can see, we have the same result, so we can use length hint also. So that's all from this video. I hope you like the video. If so, please hit the thumbs up button And if you have any doubts, put it down in the comment section and we'll get back to your doubts. Thank you.